Now, after interphase, the next phase is M phase or mitosis phase. This is the phase of actual cell division, which is further divided into karyokinesis and cytokinesis. Karyokinesis means division of nucleus and cytokinesis means division of cytoplasm. यानी पहले न्यूक्लियस डिवाइड होगा, उसके बाद साइटोप्लाज्म एंड सेल ऑर्गेनेलिस दे विल डिवाइड. Karyokinesis is further divided into prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. This is यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक. This is the karyokinesis of metaphase stage. Then cytokinesis will take place, that is the division of cytoplasm. तो यहाँ से हमारे पास after interphase we have, this is the mitotic phase. Now, in mitosis, definition is mitosis is a type of cell division in which one parent cell divides to form two daughter cells with same number of chromosomes. So, in mitosis phase, distribution of already duplicated DNA takes place among the daughter cells. कौन सा already duplicated DNA? Which was duplicated in interphase. The first stage of mitosis is prophase. During prophase, the nuclear membrane, that is the envelope around nucleus, and the nucleolus, nuclear membrane and nucleolus, they disappear. That is why I have drawn them with dotted line. This is the nuclear membrane, the envelope around the nucleus, and the nucleolus, a component of nucleus. These, they begin to disappear in the beginning and ultimately at the end of the prophase they completely disappear. Each chromosome appears to have two chromatids or two arms on it. Each chromosome appears as long, thin, thread-like structures with two chromatids on it, like this. And the nuclear material, which was coiled like a thread-like, which was a coiled network of thread-like structures, each chromosome, it uncoils. It appears as a linear structure with two chromatids on it. That is the sister chromatids which are attached to the chromosome at a protein, that is kinetochore. So what the main phase events in prophase are: the chromatin material, it uncoils, chromosome appear to be as linear, thin, thread-like structures with two chromatids attached on each centromere at kinetochore. The nuclear membrane and nucleolus disappear. Endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus, they are also not seen during this stage. The centriole, it divides into two and it starts moving towards the opposite poles of the cell. These are the two poles of the cell and this center is considered as equator. These are the centrioles. Centrioles, they divide and they start moving towards the opposite poles of the cell, and the special microtubules, they arrange themselves. Special microtubules from the cytoplasm arrange themselves around the centriole. These microtubules are called astral rays, and we say this star-like appearance, that is centriole surrounded by microtubules, is called ester, or we can say ester formation takes place. Now the next stage is metaphase. During metaphase, the nuclear membrane and nucleolus, they are completely disappeared. Centrioles with the astral rays, they have reached to the opposite poles of the cell. Chromosomes, they arrange themselves at equator. Equator means at the center of the cell. The chromosomes, they arrange themselves at equator. This is the shortest phase of mitosis, which lasts for 10 to 15 minutes, and this is the stage where chromosomes, they appear thickest and shortest. Another important event is that spindle formation takes place. Spindle, they are the special protein fibers which attach the chromosome at kinetochore with the ester. The spindle, you can see it is widest at the center of the cell, and it tapers, it goes on thinning as we move towards the pole. So what are the major events that take place during metaphase? Chromosomes arrange themselves at equator. Chromosomes appear as the shortest. They appear to be shortest and thickest. The ester, that is the centriole with the astral rays, they have reached at poles, and the spindle formation takes place. Spindle formation takes place.